Assalamualaikum. Hello. Today we are here with a challenge. The challenge is we have gummies, different types of gummies here. We bought it a few days ago and then we thought let's do a challenge. Our challenge is we will have 2 minutes to finish this. But the twist is we can't use our hand. The usage of hand is
not allowed.
Yeah. So after I start the timer, we will not be allowed to touch the plate from anywhere. If we touch, at the end how much we ate, we'll count that, and that is the result, who will win and who will not. So if you touch the plate like once, we'll deduct -2 points from the final score. Okay? We can't even touch the plate to move like this or that. Okay? So after I start the timer, we can't touch it at all. I have these type of gummies, like this raspberry, this type of Coca-Cola, there is this snake, this dolphin. I don't know. There is small, and then this big stick, and a marshmallow type, and 2 gummies. Yeah. The challenge in ready? So 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. So because of our hair, we stopped. She put a hairband. I paused our timer. We have 1 minute 34 seconds left. Now ready? 3, 2, 1, stop. You know what? How are you doing? I hate this thing.
It's too chewy. Do not eat that.
I'll try this one. It's stuck there.
You take so much time to eat this. It's stuck there. So green. Time is up. I won't. Of course, I don't see in the plate.
I won't.
I won't.
You touch the plate.
No.
Oh, let's see. 1. You also have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1.
Those 2 are same.
Same, but quantity. See, I ate the whole lot quantity. 4, 5.
So it's
I won.
It's also 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, okay. Actually, it's almost like a tie. This, I had lots of quantity. I ate the quantity, but her, doesn't matter, please. There's also some quantity limits. It's a tie, but I won't do that again. It's so, not easy, especially the dolphin one that was stuck there. Right? But we had a lot of fun doing this challenge, and I would love to see you guys try this challenge at home. Don't forget to comment it down below, and I'll see you in our next video. Until then, bye bye.
Bye.